Wow. Kind of wet. All right, I'm gonna talk to you about the books I checked out from the library some months ago around the time of the mini Geek Fest, Geek Con, Nerd Fest, Fan Geek something. I don't remember. I didn't end up going, so I ended up making a friend who needed a hand. It was the same day as a porch rocker. Anyway, and while I'm talking about some books, I'm gonna be pouring some bottles of water on my head. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Really wish I had inverted it so I could see the screen, but you know, you make do. You make do with what you got. Start with the one that I found here. Oh yeah, it's cold. Woo! Try not to get any on the books, of course. First book is Silent Voice. I did not read it. I've heard that the movie is good, and I like hanging out with books, and I like just like, if I'm not going to read them, still just like seeing like the art style, framing, choices that people make. I think it follows, apparently this girl is deaf. That's cool. Showed you what? Ooh. Doodling on cats. Yeah, I know, right? Oh. Oh. Have you ever once said that you really feel deep down in your gut? That's a good question. You think it turns out well for them in the end? Does he learn from his self? Where to put these? Somewhere dry. How about my hat? I remember once on a website called LessWrong, someone pointed out the fact that we live in a culture where if you saw a floating pink elephant in the corner of your room, you kind of wondered if anyone would actually like wonder about it and investigate it. The world's filled with so many floating pink elephants, and people just go around being like, oh, there's another floating pink elephant. Deafo, superpowered edition. She's also deaf. August 31st, 2023. Well, that's pretty nice. Let's see if he can make it. He shoots. He doesn't make it. This is cool. This is super positive. Oh. Yay. Ooh. Huh? Ooh. Aw. That's lovely. So that's a fun one. Good quality skim. Comic-Con and the business of pop culture. I love Comic-Cons because I love pop culture. Creating characters for the entertainment industry. Oh wait, I forgot the main conceit of this video is that I'm pouring water bottles on my head. If I had more help. Yeah, found one. Disposed. Remember, kids, in your mouth counts as on your head. Werner Herzog said that part of his life's mission is in search of adequate images. I like that. Our language and our culture and our civilization and our society doesn't have enough adequate images. You ever read Ernest Hemingway's Hills Like White Elephants? Yeah, me neither. But I was supposed to at least once, probably twice. I probably read it a little less thoroughly than I read that one, or maybe that one, or that one. I probably read the words, but I didn't really read it, you know? Ooh, we got a big one. So, and that's that. We got people. People like, I'm going to ignore this guy, as you should. Clearly a lunatic. Ooh, I got one more. Don't worry, I won't get you on film. That wouldn't be appropriate. Pouring water bottles on my head while reviewing books from the library. What are you doing?
While you're what?
Reviewing books from the library.
Why are you